Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. So if you want to see what I got in my Latest and Beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Latest and Beauty. I did my choices at the end of the month. So yes, I think on the 28th, and I just received this one here. Let's open it. If you're new to the subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, but it will become free delivery when you subscribe to them for more than 3 months, because you will become a member pro, which we will get a free delivery, but you will get also 15% off on their collection. And as always, lovelies, all the info will be in the description box below. So every month, lovelies, you can choose 6 products in their beauty counter. When you open it, it says Latest in Beauty, my beauty discoveries, and then we have all the products inside. And as always, lovelies, they don't include the leaflet, but all the prices I'll pop in here, and I'll give you as much info as I can. So the first choice I did is this from Fit in Nature, the coconut and shea hair mask. It's a full size, it's massive product. It has 300 ml, and it says, established in 1974, we believe in harnessing the power of nature without harming in the process. Our products are made using the highest quality, naturally derived, cruelty-free ingredient with 100% natural fragrance, and they work beautifully. So here we go. Let's open this. Oh, it smells like coconut. I'm not really fan of the coconut smell, so we'll see, but I chose this one. I honestly love this. Choose this product when the Inika takeover. In some of the Inika products, I think the bronzer, I'm not sure, I didn't choose it, so I need to choose other product, and I found it difficult, to be honest, to choose. And the other product I choose in here is from Impress, I think, from Kids, and this is the Impress Press On Manicure. So cute. I really wanted to try this one. It's quite small, so it's a perfect size for me. And this one, it's a press on, lovely, so it doesn't need any glue. And then I choose also this one from Maria Nila, the shimmer spray. It's quite massive. It has 100 ml, so this is a full size. It smells quite nice, but I tried few Maria Nila product before, and it's quite nice, so I'll try this one. And it's a lightweight shimmer spray that adds shine and reduce frizz. So yeah, and then I choose this one from Adaptology Hydro Pump Booster. So yes, and this one has 20 ml, and it says this water-based gel is designed to be pressed into skin to rehydrate and plump. It is delicately fragranced with organic rose water. 3 hyaluronic compounds with different molecular way boost hydration at every level of skin and plump. Dehydration, lines, resurrection, plant boost hydration and cellular metabolism, lightens and brightens. It has the pump. Then we'll see. I never heard from this one, so we'll try it and see. And then I choose also 2 of the Inika product, which is the Bold Lash Vegan Mascara. I will pop here, as always, the applicator. So it looks like this. It's a full size, and it says is the ultimate vegan formula to add volume to lashes and create a daring look. So yeah, we'll try this. And then I choose also this one, the Lip and Cheek Cream. I love lip and cheek products. I use them a lot. And this one in the shade Petals. So yes, it's a full size too. It's quite dark. It has a lot of shimmery gold inside. And it's open when I take it out. So yeah, I'll try it and see. And then put again another freebie inside, which is a Cetaphil one. I think I have 10 million of this product, but I never use them. I gave it quite tiny. It's really perfect when you shower, but I never use them. So yeah, that's it for my latest and beauty. As you can see, let's do a recap. So I choose the Maria Nila Shimmer Spray, the Faith in Nature Coconut and Shea Hydrating Hair Mask, and then I choose this one, the Aptology Hydro Pampusa, the Impress from Kiss, the press on manicure one, and this one, it's the Miracle one I choose. And then I choose this one, the Lip and Cheek from Inika Organic, the certified organic lip and cheek cream in petals. And then the mascara one. So yeah, overall lovely. That's the thing that I really like from Latest in Beauty, that you can choose the product that you want to try. Overall, definitely I will try every single product. That's all for me lovelies. What did you choose in your Latest in Beauty? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video lovelies. Bye.